ICT Standard 5th Microsoft Excel. Answer the following. First, what is Microsoft Excel? Answer. Microsoft Excel is a spreadsheet software for organizing, calculating and analyzing data. Second, what are the first steps to open a new workbook in Excel? Answer. Open a new workbook file, new, blank workbook. Third, define a workbook in context of Microsoft Excel. Answer. A workbook is an Excel file containing one or more worksheets. Fourth, what are the different mouse pointers in Excel used for? Answer. Mouse pointers included section, fill handle, resize, and crosshair for various tasks. Fifth, how can you rename a sheet tab in Excel? Answer. Right-click the sheet tab, rename. Sixth, what is a worksheet? Answer. A worksheet is a single spreadsheet page in a workbook. Seventh, what is a home tab? Answer. The home tab is the main tab with basic commands like formatting and editing. 8th one, in how many groups is the home tab divided? Name them. The home tab is divided into 7 groups: clipboard, font, alignment, numbers, style, cells, and editing. 9th, what are the 3 parts of Excel? Answer. Workbook, worksheet, ribbon. 10th, what are cells? Answers. Cells are individual data boxes in worksheet. 11th, what are rows? Answer. Rows are the horizontal lines of cells in worksheet labeled by numbers. 12th, how can you select a single cell? Answer. Click on the cell. 13. How can you resize a column? Answer. Drag the right boundary of the column header. 14. How can you resize a row? Answer. Drag the button boundary of the row number. 15. How can you replace text in Excel? Answer. Go to Home, find and select Replace. Fill in the blanks. First, Excel is used primarily for dash management and data analysis. Answer. Spreadsheet. Second, the intersection of rows of a row and column in Excel is called answer cell. Third, each Excel workbook can contain multiple dash answer sheet. Fourth, the Excel function to add number is dash answer sum. Fifth, Excel file intention for workbooks is usually XLSS or answer XLS. 6. To change the font color in Excel, you use the dash tool, font tool color. 7. You can format number as currency using the dash tool. Answer. Number format. 8. Cell allows you to combine multiple cells into one. Answer. Merging. 9. To adjust cell border, use the dash tool in the format cell dialog. Answer. Border. 10th. To apply a color to the background of the cell, use the dash tool. Fill color. 11th. The dash function in Excel calculates the total of the range of cells. Answer. Sum. 12th. To calculate the average of numbers, you see the dash function, average function. 13. The function returns the highest value in a range. Answer. Max. 14. To count the number of the cells that contain number, use the dash function. Answer. Count. Third, true or false questions. First, Excel is a spreadsheet application developed by Microsoft. Answer. True. Second, Excel files use the docx extension. Answer. False. Excel files use the XLSX or XLS extension. Third, the main components of the Excel is the worksheet. Answer. True. Fourth, each cell in Excel can contain only text data. Answer. False. Cell can contain text, numbers, formulas and more. Fifth, Excel allows for the creation of graphs and charts. Answer true. 6. Excel allows you to change the font size and color of text in a cell. Answer true. 7. You can apply conditional formatting to cells based on their content. Answer true. 8. Formatting cells in Excel affect only the content, not the cell itself. Answer false. Formatting affects both content and cell appearance. 9th, Excel does not support data formatting. Answer false. Excel support various date formats. 10th, you can merge cell in Excel to create a larger cell area. Answer true. 11. Formulas in Excel always start with the equal sign. True. 12. You cannot use functions in Excel formulas. Answer false. Functions are integral to use formulas. 13. Excel formulas can reference other cells in the same worksheet or different worksheets. Answer true. 14. The average function calculates the sum of range of cell. Answer false. The average function calculates the average of range. 15. To find maximum value in range, use the mean function. Answer false. Use the max function to find maximum values. Question number 4. Match the following. Column A, first, rows. Second, columns. Third, cells. Fourth, font. Fifth, select cell. Sixth, resize column. Seventh, rename sheets. 8, select row. 9, resize row. 10, merge cells.